What's that, Ollie? Ollie? Is that your new little car seat? Go get it. Go get it. No, don't eat it. Ollie, here. Hi. Hi. Looky, look. Hey, let me get this. Who's in there? Piggy? Bum. Bum. Oh, that's not going to last long. Ollie. Ollie, look. Here, you want this? You want to go for a bye-bye? Oh, that's not going to work. I'm going to zip you in. How about that? Watch your tootsies. Boom! What do you think about that, sir? Yeah, I know what you think about it. Oliver, you gonna go? We're gonna go for a bye-bye? You want to go for a bye-bye? Oh, that's not going to last too long. It's going to eat it. All right. Freedom! Wee! Freedom! Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Oh, I'm going to pinch your tush. Yeah. No, don't pinch me. By that I mean don't bite me. Boop, boop, boop. Ma, leave me alone. I want to be in my little hovel.